Welcome to Gym TV, it's Alexis and Aurélien. People want to know.
Yes, so Alban and Mousse are going to tell us more about the rules of the contest.
The goal of the competition is to design and to make the most successful possibility urban wind turbine at the top, while respecting the set of constraints connected to using the urban zones. So, the general ranking takes into account the quantity of produced energy but also the other criteria. The wind turbine used for the competition always the general airflow with two independent vanes. The main vane 1 generated an airflow from 0 to 80 kph, reality laminar. The secondary vane 2 generated an airflow from 0 to 40 kph, very perturbed. Wind turbines are placed in the trial zone and on a severely fault. This fault can revolve in 360 degrees in both directions. During the various rounds, the intensity of both airflow are variable, allowing to find fast change of orientation of the wind. The rotation of the foot allows not to favor a side of the wind turbine with compared with another one.
During the essay, the mechanical part of the wind turbine was have to be able to take out of a cube of 780 aside, free orientation centered on the central vertical axis of the trial zone. All the electrical components can be distributed at the same time in the volume dedicated to the bus 780, 780, 400, but also in the cube dedicated to the mechanical part. To be able to be transported to the trial zone and installed in this one, wind turbine must be screwed on a support of fixation metallic frame. This support of fixation will be supplied on the spot. The support of fixation will be installed on wagons for the travel of wind turbines or transferred on the docking station of the trial zone for the trials in Blau. The foot of the wind turbine will thus have to be designed to be able to be fixed to the support of fixation. All the wind turbines must be equipped with a socket of a precise model for the electrical connection. This socket must be settled in the place of the volume so that we can connect the plug during the competition. Once a trendy plug, the group with the plug does not take out of this volume of 780, 400, plan approximately 20 centimeters for the length of the plug. The two borders must be necessarily isolated compared with the frame of the wind turbine, which will be connected with the ground.
So, to bring more information about this contest, we are going to recover Aurélien with Mr. Perouse. Aurélien, are you hear me?
Yes, at this moment I am with Mr. Perouse, teacher at the University of France, in charge of the supervision of the Gim'eole contest. Hi Mr. Perouse, thanks to bring us your time. So can you tell me more about the Gim'eole contest?
Yes, I can. In fact, Gim'eole contest, it's a competition between the IUTs in France, Department Génie Industriel and Maintenance. There are 25 IUTs of that kind, and each IUT must produce a wind turbine for towns. It's named urban wind turbine.
Great. And is it a great thing for one to organize the Gim'eole contest?
Of course, because Rouen is a wonderful city. And there will not be only the competition. it will be a big feast, a popular feast, with a lot of games and exposition about energy, renewable energy.
And for finish, do you think that Rouen can win this year?
Rouen could have won, but I'm not very optimistic for this year, because we try more to organize the competition than to produce good wind turbines.
Okay, thanks for this information. Alexis, it's your turn.
Thanks for this interview of Mr. Perrouse, and now we are going to watch an interview of engineering students made 3 days ago.
So, good morning, Jean-Seb and Valentin.
Good morning.
So, you are going to participate at Gim'eole contest, and you are going to present a wind turbine. Could you tell more about it?
So we have made a vertical one with 8 wind turbine to like a tree to make more power and to take more wind.
Okay, great. Did you have some problems during the project?
No, we have just made some tests that we need, but the problem appears wind turbine broke, so no, it's okay, we have just repaired it, so okay.
Okay, so, and now are you ready to win Gim'eole?
Yes, sure.
Jean-Seb?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, Aurélien is back. What is the next subject?
Let's speak about wind turbine test, a report from Valentin and Vincent.
Hello, Mr. Leroy. Can you introduce me your workshop, please?
Yeah, come on. I'm going to show you our workshop with all the machines.
Thanks.
Here is the place where we realize our wind turbines.
Okay. So, can you introduce me your wind turbines, please? And after that, another question, what are goals in this competition?
At this stage, we work on 3 wind turbines. The first wind turbine is created for the city of Rouen. The city asked us to make a wind turbine to fix at the top of the city hall to show that Rouen is interested in wind energies and sponsor it. Secondly, we have created these 2 other wind turbines to participate to Gim'eole. The goal of Gim'eole is to create energy from the wind produced by the wind turbine.
But now, what are your technical objectives?
If you want to win Gim'eole challenge, you must have to study the material resistance, because the wind power can easily deform or destroy a wind turbine in few seconds. The second problem is to convert the mechanical power in electricity with a good GE. The wind speed is easily changing, and you have to size correctly.
By the way, Gim'eole is a popular event where a lot of people come.
Many stands will be present in the week contest. Comments by Ibrahima and Pascal.
Hi everyone and welcome on the presentation of Gim'eole stand. First, let's take a look on our electric cart that's all made by 2 students of the Institute of Technology of Rouen in the engineering department. Gim'eole is for one turbine, but 2 of our students think of a build a board that uses movement of people on it to produce electricity and energy. Then, we make a little concept on our concept. It's that we build one little wind tunnel and one turbine with Lego. So, people who don't have a build a wind turbine for Gim'eole can use a little wind tunnel and Lego wind turbine to see how does it work. Then, and this is the best part of Gim'eole. We have made a big and giant barbecue for everyone and for lover of meat. We just expect we're going to come, and just don't forget to bring in your friend to share love and fun with us. Just to see you on Gim'eole. Thanks you.
Lots of activities. People will have fun.
Yes, And to finish the topic, Nassima and Bakito will speak about flying windmill.
So, having conquered land and sea, wind turbines are now taken to the skies. The startup Altius Energies, which was founded at the prestigious Massachusetts Institute of Technology, has announced it will soon launch the world's highest wind turbine in Fairbanks in Alaska.
This allows it to capture much stronger winds, 5 to 8 times stronger, and more regular than a conventional wind turbine, resulting in twice as much energy production.
The 30 kilowatt generated is then transmitted to the station by the cables before being fed to the grid. It can more do wireless antenna to connect a remote village, an industrial site, or military base. Its height allows it to cover an area of 6 to 8 times larger than a conventional antenna.
A circular envelope which gives its lift is 10 meters of diameter and is made from the same material as that used for the airships or boat sails. BAT is pegged to a ground station by 3 cables and adjusts its altitude and orientation automatically to achieve the strongest possible winds. It detects winds using anemometers. Sending the electricity back to the ground, the turbine will generate enough power to supply over a dozen homes. According to the startup behind it, Altius Energies is aiming to come up with an alternative energy source to costly and polluting diesel generators, which are widely used in areas not served by the electricity grid.
So it's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, Gim'eole1 contest begins the Wednesday, 16th of March.